This is what we call an uh-oh. So you can see the path here. It's not supposed to be in the path of that screw there. So this part is supposed to be down here. So it shifted, it lost its place in its Y direction. So it's all jacked up. I think we can save this though. If worse comes to worse, we have to put this design somewhere else on the board. This board didn't get cut at all yet. And now I have to go back and go figure out what didn't get cut on this guy yet. Most of it did. Looks like there's maybe one or two things right here. And they're small, so I might be able to reposition these items over here. And then I'll have to change the design over here as well. This is fun. Oh, also, when it hit the bolt, the bit broke. So as you see, the bit's broke. That's not good. That's why I wear safety glasses over here. It's laying on the floor somewhere. So luckily we have a little bit of room here, and the thing is still mounted on the table. I'll probably have to readjust the direction in the X, but this side didn't get cut, so what I'm going to do is not use these original ones because they got messed up with the position. I'm going to recut these in that position. And this sheet, since there's some scuff marks there, this will be the bottom sheet, and then I'm going to cut this sheet out. But what I'm probably going to do is break it down into some steps so that it's not as long of a cut, so that if one thing messes up, it doesn't mess up a ton of stuff. So I'll probably try to do zones. So we can recover this. So this is what happens when you hit a nail with more metal. This is why you should always probably buy a spare bit when you're doing this stuff, and I did not. You might not be able to hear this, but you have to watch out for these hose when you're doing anything on the CNC. Because what happened is mine got bundled up when it was doing a cut really far over here. The hose caused the gantry to not know where it was. So that's why it was off center.